Euler equations. We have discussed the motion of a rigid body in a frame fixed space. The equation of motion of the rigid body is torque is equal to dl by dt. This is okay, torque and angular momentum relation between torque is equal to dl by dt. Okay, motion of a rigid body equation. Okay, we imaging a coordinating frame fixed in the rigid body itself. Then this coordinate frame is a rotating frame, rotating along with the rigid body with respect to a frame fixed in space. The rotating frame is a non-inertial frame. Okay, the equation of motion of a rigid body with respect to a non-inertial frame can be transformed to the equation into inertia frame by using Hungry operator. This equation non-inertial frame can be transformed to the equation into inertial frame by using Hungry operator. This is a Hungry operator. Hungry operator equation is d. This is anything, angular momentum or anyone. Okay, so this is space. Angular operator is this is the formula of angry operator. D by dt of body plus omega cross this one. Okay, this is the Hungry operator. D by dt of space is equal to d by dt of body into plus d omega cross anyone. This then this coordinate frame is a rotating frame, rotating along with the rigid body with respect to a frame fixed in space. The rotating frame is a non-inertial frame. Okay, non-inertial frame can be transformed in this equation into inertial frame by using Hungry operator. Okay, substituting the angular momentum of vector. Substituting the angular momentum of vector. Angular momentum is the symbol of L. Okay, dl by dt space is equal to dl by dt body plus omega cross L. Okay, then this is the equation 1. Consider the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, from equation 1, torque is equal to dl by dt. Then value is substituting. Then torque space, this is the space, equal to dl by dt is body plus omega cross L. Okay, omega is the angular velocity of the rotating frame. Okay, the rigid body is symmetric, then coordinating axis coincides with the symmetric axis. In this case, all product inertia elements becomes to 0 and only diagonal inertia element contribute to the total moment of inertia of rigid body. Okay, first you find the body is symmetric instant of xyz axis we have. Okay, consider angular velocity omega is equal to omega x plus omega y j omega z k. This is omega is equal to value and L is equal to Lxi plus Lyz j plus Lzk. Okay, this is the omega cross L. Find out the omega cross L. Omega cross means curl product I, j, k. Omega means I term is omega x, j term is omega y, k term is omega z. Then L. L means I term is Lx, j term is Ly and k term is Lz. This is the det. Curl of L anochu. Next omega cross L. Omega cross means this is the cross product of det of ijk terms. Okay, this is det cross product. Okay, I. This is I term. Then cross multiplication of them. Then cross multiplication of I. This is the omega y Lz minus omega z Ly. Next, then J plus J is the plus J తీసుకున్నట్లయితే మనకి omega z and Lx. Omega z Lx minus this is one omega x Lz. This is the z. Okay. Plus k term. This is k term. K term is this is k term is closed. Then cross multiplication is there. Then k into omega x Ly minus omega y Lx. Okay, this is item. Then cross product. Okay, this is the cross product. Next, j term is closed. This is cross product. Okay, k term is omega Ly minus this is omega y Lx. Okay, this is I, j and k term. Then torque is equal, this is substitute the omega cross L. Okay, then torque is equal dl by dt plus omega cross L. Okay, substitute this value. Then torque is equal dl by dt plus omega cross L. Substitute the omega cross L. dl by dt. Then plus this is I into omega cross L. Omega cross L means this one. This value is substitute there. Okay, I into omega y L z minus omega z L y. అంతే కదా, so say y z and z y. Okay, plus j into omega z L x minus omega x L z plus k into omega x L y minus omega y L x. Okay, so once this is omega x y y x zx xz zx and xz. Okay, then this here the torque is into 3 parts. Okay, this is the torque is in 3 parts. First one, and second one, and third one. Okay, this is torque is xyz part లాగా మనం డివైడ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే x axis, y axis and z axis లాగా తీసుకున్నాం. All other product inertial element becomes to 0. Then this equation is the 3 parts. Torque acting on the rigid body along the x axis. Torque acting on the rigid body along the x axis. Then torque x is equal to d Lx by dt plus I into omega y Lz minus omega z Ly. Okay, this is మనకి Lx term. Okay, this is the x term కాబట్టి మనం I అనేది కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోం. Okay, this is 3 part గా డివైడ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే మనకి టార్క్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద రిజిడ్ బాడీ along the x axis and similarly y axis. This is x axis and y axis. Torque y is equal to dly by dt plus omega z Lx minus omega x Lz. This term. Okay, z axis. Torque z axis is equal dl z by dt plus omega x Ly minus omega y Lx. This is the z axis term. Okay, these are 3 terms. Okay, next, but L is equal to I omega. Okay, this is L1 is equal to Lx is equal to Ix omega x and Ly is equal to Iy omega y and Lz is equal to Iz omega z. These are three values in substituting the torque x, torque y, torque z. Okay. Then first substitute the torque x. d by dt. This is ix, omega x. This is lx is substitute them. Plus omega y. Then lz means iz, omega z. Minus omega z. ly means iy, omega y. Okay. This is simplify them. Ix. This is ix and d omega x by dt. Plus this is multiplication of omega by omega z, iz minus omega z. Omega y into iy. Okay, these are omega. Omega into omega y, omega z into iy. Okay. Next, this is common of omega y, omega z in both the. Okay. Torque x is equal to ix d omega x by dt plus omega y, omega z is common, it is there. Then iz minus iy. Okay. This is an equation 1. Torque x is equal to ix. This is equation in 3. Okay. This is equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3. Okay. Ix d omega x by dt plus omega y, omega z into iz minus iy. Okay, now next similarly torque y. Okay, this is similarly torque y axis. Y axis is d ly by dt plus enti manaki dly by dt. This is omega z lx minus omega x lz. Omega z lx minus omega x lz. Okay. This is substitute the L value. d by dt. I kabatti omega iy omega L is equal to I omega plus omega z then lx ix lx omega x. L is equal to I omega minus omega x. Lz means iz omega z. Okay. Iy d omega y by dt plus these are omega z omega x. Omega z omega x is common. Then ix minus iz. Okay. Iy torque y iy d omega y by dt plus ix minus iz into omega x omega z. This is equation is 2. Okay. Next, similarly torque z dlz by dt. This is z plus omega x ly minus omega y lx. These are see once check it. Then torque z lz xy minus omega y omega x. Okay. This is substitute the ly lx lz d by dt. Then iz omega z plus omega x iy omega y minus omega y ix omega x. This is d omega z by dt plus common of omega x omega y. Omega y common iy minus ix. This is the equation of 3. Iy minus ix into omega x omega y. Okay. These are 3 equations. These are 3 equations is called the Euler's equation of a rigid body. Okay. 1 and 2, 3 equations is first write them. First equation of therefore torque x is equal to మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది టార్క్ x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ix d omega x by dt ప్లస్ iz మైనస్ iy omega y omega z. దెన్ ప్రూఫ్ ది మనకు ఆల్రెడీ ప్రూఫ్ చేసాము. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ix omega x y z z minus y. Okay, this is same equation. Next arc y is equal to this iy d omega y by dt plus ix minus iz omega z omega x. Okay, next torque z axis iz d omega z by dt plus iy minus ix omega x omega y. These are three equations is called the these three equations are called Euler's equation. Okay, these are three equations is called the Euler's equations. Okay, this is Euler's equation is the very important question, and Euler's equations of application. Okay, these three equations using applications of Euler's equation. Okay, Euler's equations is Euler's equations are first one is Euler equation is first one is the Euler equation of first one, and first applications చూసుకుందాం. applications of Euler's equation. Okay, applications of the Euler's equation. First one is in the law of conservation of energy. Okay, law of conservation of energy. Okay, law of conservation of energy. Conservation of energy, then Euler's equations, three Euler's equations are then ఈ త్రీ Euler's equations యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనము conservation of energy is no kinetic energy is equal to then rigid body. Using rigid body లో kinetic energy is equal to ఏంటి of I omega square అనేది మనము yesterday class లో డిస్కస్ చేసాము. Then next another one, this is law of conservation of energy. ఎనర్జీలో మన kinetic energy is equal to constant అనేది చూపించుకుందాం. ఓకే, if this is law of conservation of energy లో మనకి if no torque is acting on the rigid body. Okay, if no torque is acting on the rigid body. Okay, and that is torque equal to 0. Okay, that is no torque is acting on the rigid body means torque is equal to 0. Okay, then torque equal to 0, then substitute the Euler's equations. Euler's equations is Euler's equations ఏంటివి మనకి, these are three Euler's equations. Okay, these three Euler's equations, using them torque equal to 0, applying the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is torque is equal to 0, then 0 equal to ix d omega x by dt plus iz minus iy into omega y omega z. Okay, this is next. Similarly y, then iy d omega y by dt plus ix minus iz omega x and omega y. Similarly z axis, iz d omega z by dt plus iy minus ix into omega x omega y. Okay, sorry ఇక్కడ z, sorry, this is omega z and omega x, x minus z, y minus x omega Okay, these three equations are there. Using these are three equations. By multiplying the equation, this is equation, consider the equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, by multiplying the equation 1 with omega x and equation 1, equation 2 with omega 2 and equation 3 with omega 3. Okay, multiplying the equation 1 ki omega x anedi and equation 2 ki omega 2 and equation 3 ki omega 3 ni add చేసేద్దాం. Okay, this is equation 1. Omega x is the adding them. This is first equation, ix, then ix, omega x is adding omega x d omega x by dt plus iz minus iy omega x omega y omega z. Okay, plus then second equation, this is equal to 0. Then second equation, iy omega y. This is second equation is omega y. This is omega z. Okay, multiplying them, d omega y by dt plus ix minus iz omega x omega y omega z equal to 0. Next one, iz omega z d omega z by dt plus iy minus ix omega x omega y omega z equal to 0. These three equations are, above three equations are adding them. Okay, the above three equations are adding them. Okay, above three equations are adding. Okay, these are three equations are adding them, three equations. Okay, this is three equations are adding. Then ix omega x omega y omega z are common is there. Okay, see once, ix omega x d omega x by dt plus iy omega y d omega y by dt plus iz d omega z, ఇక్కడ omega z ఉంటుంది, omega t d omega z by dt plus this first one iz, these are both are omega x omega y omega z అనేవి common plus ix minus iz plus iy minus ix into omega x omega y omega z equal to 0. Okay, these are three elements adding. This is common of omega x omega y omega z. This is common of them. This value is, okay, I omega minus I omega, sorry, iy plus and minus is cancelled. Ix iz plus minus is cancelled. Then this term equal to 0. Then similarly manaki finally ix omega x d omega x by dt plus iy omega y d omega y by dt plus iz omega z d omega z by dt equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation. Then it is this equation, then this is the, simplify them, this is of d by dt of ix omega x square. Okay, this value is the omega square is differentiating with respect to t. Then omega square means 2 omega x d omega x by dt. 2 omega x 2 omega అంటే 2 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, ix అట్లే ఉంటుంది, omega x, then differentiating of d omega x by dt. This is simplify them. This is this differentiating of ఏంటి, differentiating of ix omega x square means this is the ix, omega x square means 2 omega x into d omega x by dt. Okay, this is the half is adding, then 2 e2 cancel అయినట్లయితే మనకి ix omega x d omega x by dt, same term is there. Okay, this is simplify the this value is this. Okay, this is differentiating, this value is getting. Okay, plus 1 by 2 d by dt, similarly same iy omega y square plus 1 by 2 d by dt iy iz omega z square is equal to 0. Okay, both are half common. Okay, both are there, this is the both are the half common. D by dt ix omega x square plus d by dt iy omega y square plus d by dt iz omega z square equal to 0. Okay, then this value is other side equal to 0. D by dt ix omega x square plus d by dt iy omega y square plus d by dt iz omega z square is equal to 0. Okay, these are all derivation of common d by dt. Okay, ix omega x square plus iy omega y square plus iz omega z square equal to 0. Then d by dt is the, this is I omega square means this is kinetic energy is equal to nt of I omega square. Then 2k is equal to, this is in this side I omega square. This is I omega square means this total of x, y, z access them. Then totally manam of this this is the I omega square means 2 I omega square find out చేసుకున్నట్లయితే this is d by dt, this is 2k equal to 0. Then kinetic energy is equal to 0. Then 2k equal to 0 అయినట్లయితే మనకి this is k equal to, this are k equal to ఏమవుతుంది, this is k is equal to constant. Okay, k is equal to k means of ix omega x square plus iy omega y square plus iz omega z square is equal to constant. Okay, this is the I omega square is, therefore kinetic k is the constant, kinetic energy is the constant. Therefore if no external torque acting, the total kinetic energy of the rigid body remains constant. No external torque acting, the total kinetic energy of the rigid body remains constant. This is the first application of the conservation of energy. Okay, you know. Next, second application is the conservation of, second application means conservation of angular momentum. Conservation of angular momentum. Okay, if no external torque acting on the rigid body, by multiplying the Euler's equations is Euler's equations, you know, torque x, torque y and torque z. Euler's equations is torque x, torque y and torque z. These are the Euler's equations. Okay, Euler's equations is okay, applying the conservation of angular momentum. If ikkada kuda manaki if no external torque acting on the rigid body. Okay, that is torque equal to 0. Okay, by multiplying equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay, with I x omega x, I y omega y అంటే ఈక్వేషన్ 1 తోటి this one multiplication and 2 equation తోటి y term and omega z iz. Okay, third equation తోటి iz omega z తోటి multiplying చేసి and add them. First multiplying in this value. Okay, this is ix omega x అంటే ix square omega x. Okay, then d omega x by dt plus next iy square omega y d omega y by ix d omega by dt, this value ix square omega x d omega x by dt plus iz minus iy omega x ix into omega y omega z equal to 0. This is multiplying the ix omega x, I square omega x. Okay, plus ix omega x, then multiplying them. Okay, this is omega x omega y omega z, ix into. Okay, next one, this is simplify them first similarly, then two values, second y axis and z axis. Z minus y, yz and omega by omega z. Okay, this is first one, this is multiplication of them, and next one is I y square omega y d omega y by dt plus ix minus iz into omega y iy omega z omega x is equal 0. This is this equation ki omega y omega z is multiplication. Next, similarly iz square omega z d omega z by dt plus z iy minus ix, then this is omega I z omega z, iz and omega z into omega x omega y equal to 0. Okay, these are three equations are adding them. The above three equations are adding. Okay, this is I x square omega x d omega x by dt plus these first three terms adding చేసేస్తున్నా నేను, adding చేసేసి then simplify omega x omega y omega is common వస్తుంది. iy square omega y d omega y by dt plus iz square omega z d omega z by dt plus these are omega x omega y omega z, omega x omega y omega z. These three terms is omega x omega y omega z is common, and this is the multiplier of ix in this term, ix iz minus ix iy. Okay, next term plus ix iy okay minus iy iz, this is multiplication, plus iy iz minus ix iz. Okay, this is ix iy Ix, Iy cancel. Ix, Iz minus plus. This is YZ is cancelled. Okay. Then simplify the final value is I x square omega x d omega x by dt plus iy square omega y d omega y by dt plus iz square omega z d omega z by dt is equal to 0. Okay. This 3 is value them is equal to 0. This value is the continue. The next step, this is this value is next. This is the this is of ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏంటి కైనెటిక్ యాంగులర్ momentum అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. యాంగులర్ momentum means L equal to I omega. Then this is the this equation is d by dt I x square omega x square. Okay, this value, this is the differentiating of ix square is the constant. Then omega x square means 2 omega x. 2 cancel this equation. These are differentiating them with respect to the differentiating చేసినట్లయితే మళ్ళీ above equation is same. Okay, ix square is common. Then omega x square means 2 omega x. 2 omega x means once c means ix square is common. This 2 omega square means 2 omega x d omega x by dt. Okay, then ఇక్కడ హాఫ్ పెట్టుకున్నాం. ఈ హాఫ్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయినట్లయితే మనకు సేమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ సేమ్. సిమిలర్లీ సేమ్ d by dt y term iy square omega y square plus of similarly z axis omega z square iz square omega z square is equal to constant. Okay, these 3 equations, this is the above first value is the manaki enti, these are 3 elements is common and d by dt is also common. Then ix square omega x square plus iy square omega y square plus iz square omega z square equal to 0. Okay, this is the I square omega x square. This is x term, y term and z term. Totally this is I omega of d by dt. This is I omega equal to 0. Then I omega means L d by dt into L is equal to I omega. Then L equal to 0. L, this is equal to 0. Half equal to outside L అంటే 0 వచ్చేస్తుంది. This is I square omega square. This is L square. L is equal to I omega. L square is equal to I square omega square. Then I square omega square means L square. Okay, this is L square means differentiating of 2L dl by dt equal to 0. Okay, 2L dl by dt equal to 0, dl by dt equal to 0. Then L is equal to constant. Okay, then L means I omega is also constant. Okay, okay, this is the no external torque acting on the rigid body. Its angular momentum remains constant. This is the conservation of angular momentum. This is the conservation of angular momentum equation. Okay, this is the differentiating of differentiating చేసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ మనకు omega square x means 2 omega x d omega x by dt. Then 2 cancel అయితే మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ above equation is there. These are 3 equations లో మనకి ఇది కామన్ గా తీసుకున్నట్లయితే this is the common of x y z axis లో రాసుకున్నాము. This is common గా రాసుకుంటే I square omega square. I means L equal to I omega. L square means I square omega square. This is L square equal to 0. This is L square means 2L into dl by dt. Differentiating of L square means 2L into dl by dt. This is outside వెళ్ళినట్లయితే equal to 0. dl by dt equal to 0. L is equal to constant. L means I omega is equal to constant. If no external torque acting on the rigid body, its angular momentum remains same. This is the conservation of angular momentum. Okay, these are the three equations of Euler's equations are three, and applications of conservation of energy, and second one is conservation of angular momentum. Okay,